This little star, it says, not intended for use in the immediate eye area. Hey guys, so if you haven't seen my last video where I show you how to get this flawless looking face, then go check it out. Video's right here. But for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the eye look that I had in that video, and it's just a very nice, super easy, peachy, very spring, summery look, because to me it is spring. I just bypassed winter just altogether. So let's get started. I really am only using one palette, and it's my ColourPop Soul palette, and I know it looks a little different now. I think they changed the packaging. It's a little dusty, and I'm going to be using these colors here, which are super pretty for the spring. And I'm mainly going to be using these three colors here. It is Dynamite here, hope you guys can see, Dynamite, and then New Digs, and Ooh. I think we're nice, up close and personal. So to start with, I'm going to be going in with this is my Sigma tapered blending brush. It's E35. It's a little dirty, but it's going to be okay. I'm going to be going into the lightest shade, which is Dynamite, and I'm going to use this to go all around my eye, and I like using a nice soft color to start in the inner pockets of my eyes because those get the darkest. So I'm just doing soft circular motions from my inner corners and working that out into my brow bone. Excuse my brows, they are starting to grow out. So just doing very soft circles. And this is my base color. It's not necessarily my transition color. Just makes everything blend out a lot easier. And so I did this look last night. We went out to see the Joe Coy comedy special, which was so good, so hilarious. Gabriel Iglesias opened up for him. Oh my god, he is one of my other favorite comedians. So seeing them both that night was so much fun. Next, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M573 brush, this guy here. As you can tell, it's dirty because I used it last night and I haven't washed my brushes. So I need to do that. If you guys want to see a video of what I use to wash my brushes and my sponges, and maybe how I organize my makeup, because I could totally do that because I need an excuse to do that. Alright, and I'm going into this shade here. And this is the color New Digs. Whoop, my phone just fell. And I'm going to start working that into my crease. Same thing, circles from inner corner to outer corner. Let's go in with the hottest pinks, and this is in the color Ooh. This little star, it says, not intended for use in the immediate eye area. What? But it's an eyeshadow. I should have put this in my waterline last night. I didn't write that. And I'm going to do it again today, but let's hope I don't go blind. I guess we'll find out. This is the Morphe M167. It's just a flat brush. And putting that into this color here that apparently is not for the immediate eye area. Alright, patting that in, hoping I don't go blind. Guys, I'm gonna put this in my waterline, and I'm a little concerned now. I did not read that. Alright, I'm just popping this in, making downward motions, keeping it right under my crease, and then working it into my waterline by moving upwards. And kind of smudging that in. And get very pigmented. Back in with that other Morphe brush, and just very lightly blending that in. Guys, yesterday, which is not really yesterday by the time you're watching this video, the 22nd was Bruno, my German Shepherd dog's first birthday, and I got him puppy frozen yogurt, which I didn't know existed, and a cookie, and I put a party hat on him, and he was not having the party hat. He was so embarrassed by it. This is so cute. But yeah, we've had Bruno for almost a year. We got him when he was 3 months. And he is definitely just another member of our family. He is my fur baby. He's my fur child. And I love him so much. And he is a big pain in my ass most of the time. But super, super sweet other times. And maybe I'll make whole nother video about Bruno. We tried to take him to training. And it was quite an epic failure. He got kicked out of training because he jumped on the instructor. Which just... it's a story for another time, and you guys can let me know how you feel about that because I'm still a little upset. He is just such a loving dog, and it was so unfair. So here is the deal. This is what I did last night. I thought it looked really good, and I thought it was such a great hack if you don't have color eyeliners, and frankly I haven't found one that works. I want to try the Fenty ones. I want to try Makeup Forever's color ones, but the ones I've tried have not worked. So this was my hack, if I can find it, here it is, to getting color eyeliner when you don't have color eyeliner. I used my Morphe eyeliner in the color Coconut, and it's just a white eyeliner, white pencil liner, and aligned my waterline with it. So I know there's a lot of looks that have white eyeliner and it looks so beautiful on them. When I do it, I look like a fool. So I don't use this normally. But I found a good way to use it, except now this palette is telling me that this color is not for the medium eye area, and I'm just very concerned. But I'm going to use it anyways. Going back in with Ooh and that same flat brush. Using the white eyeliner, I basically created a blank canvas, but also some kind of glue for shadow to stick. So by doing that, I can put eyeshadow in my waterline. And I'm pulling and I'm just kind of bringing it down. And honestly, this is taking longer because I'm talking through it, but honestly, it took me like maybe 10 minutes to do last night. I was in a rush. Very cool. And then I'm taking my Revolution Eye Glisten liquid eyeshadow thing that I used in my last video, taking that gold color and just placing that right under my tear duct for a slight glittery effect. And use the e.l.f. Glow Highlighter in Moonlight, which is just a little bit more white toned. And putting that in my inner corners here to brighten. And I'm gonna pop some lashes. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So I popped on some lashes and I put some mascara on my bottom line. I put some mascara on my bottom lashes, so I'll get there. Let's finish this look up with some lips. So yesterday I used a slightly different color. It was more of like a kind of peanut buttery, peachy, pinky lip. But that is somewhere in my purse and I don't really feel like looking for it. I'm going to do a different lip that I used the other day to work, and I got tons of compliments on it because it was just kind of like this peachy gloss. So I think it would look really pretty with this lip. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil, and this is in the shade BFP. I don't know what that stands for. Ooh, it's a little dirty. And I'm just going to line my lips. And then I'm going to be going in with my NYX Lingerie lipstick in the color Dusk to Dawn. Once that's dries, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss, and this is the color Champagne Glam, which just has some flecks of gold in it, but it's also slightly peachy. And it's super pretty, and it's lip plumping, and it's just great. finish it all off with a little bit of setting spray. Alright guys, so that's it for today's look. This is the completed look. Like I said, if you want to see how I got this face, this flawless airbrush looking face, then check out my last video for my everyday foundation routine. Yeah, so that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, hit the notification button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.